Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a V380 Pro account using your phone number so you can easily access and manage your CCTV cameras. Let's get started. Go to the Play Store and search for V380 Pro. Once you find it, install the app and wait for the installation to complete. Open the app and click Phone Verification to register using your mobile number. Select a country or region and choose Asia. Click the arrow to continue. Then, select your area code. If you're from the Philippines, choose +163. Enter your phone number starting with 9. Type the CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen, then click Verify to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Enter the code correctly in the box and continue. Now it's time to create your password. It must meet these requirements: 8 to 40 characters. At least 3 types of characters. Include an uppercase letter. Include a lowercase letter. Include a number. Include a symbol. After setting your password, retype it again for confirmation. Click Confirm, and that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully created your V380 Pro account. Now that you have an account, you can start adding your cameras and securing your home. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. See you in the next vlog!